Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Bites. Today we're going to be making this super quick and easy recipe. We're going to make homemade from scratch pesto sauce. So let's get started. Grab your chopper, or you can use a blender or even a food processor. I just find it a lot easier to work with my little Ninja chopper. And you're going to put in 2 cups of fresh basil. And warning, I'm sorry about the lighting here, just got super cloudy and rainy, so you'll see that crazy change right there. But go ahead and give that basil just a couple of pulses. You don't want to blend that up too much. And if you are using a blender instead, just be sure to use that pulse option. Next up, add in a 1/4 cup of fresh walnuts with 3 whole garlic cloves just roughly chopped, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just go ahead and give that a couple more pulses and you'll see it's still pretty thick. And in the last bit here, just go ahead and scrape those sides down since the ingredients do like to stick to the side of the chopper. And then you're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of freshly grated parmesan. Please do not use that pre-grated packaged stuff. Just make sure you get a nice block of fresh parm and grate it yourself. And then also add in a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Now you may need more olive oil later depending on the consistency of your basil, depending on if you add like super large basil leaves and how thick it is. Just add that as needed, as well as the salt. Some people do like a little bit more salt in their pesto sauce. Give that a few more pulses here and you're gonna see that pesto sauce is pretty much done. You can scrape the sides of that chopper or blender down one more time and just give it one more good pulse, and otherwise you're done. Just stick it in the fridge. You guys can use this on pizza, sandwiches, pasta, really anything that you like pesto sauce on, and this does not have pine nuts, so I do like the walnut option better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, because it does help to support my channel. I appreciate you guys watching. Give me that big thumbs up below if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.